Welcome back to New Car Updates. Today we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2025 to 2026 Mercedes-Benz Two-Story Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a luxury home on wheels. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel New Car Updates, and share this video as much as you can. Your support means a lot and helps us bring you the latest car updates and reviews. Thank you for being part of our journey. At first glance, the new motorhome looks like a futuristic villa rolling down the road. Built on a Mercedes-Benz chassis, it features sleek lines, a bold front grille, and a commanding two-story design. Large glass panels and a rooftop balcony give it the feel of a modern penthouse apartment. And yes, it's every bit as premium as you'd expect from Mercedes. Step inside, and you'll find pure luxury. The ground floor is designed for comfort, with a spacious living room, a state-of-the-art kitchen, and a modern bathroom. On the upper floor, you'll discover a private bedroom with panoramic views, plus extra lounge space to relax in style. High-quality wood, marble finishes, and ambient lighting make the interior feel more like a five-star hotel than a motorhome. Of course, Mercedes didn't hold back on technology. You'll get a fully digital cockpit, smart home integration, climate control, and top-class entertainment systems. It's designed to be both luxurious and practical for long journeys. So, what do you think of the 2025 to 2026 Mercedes-Benz Two-Story Motorhome? Is this the future of luxury travel? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates here on New Car Updates.